the fuck up, I got something to say. Shut the fuck up, I got something to say.
Yeah, it's the first lady of Stockton,
Shut the
aka
fuck up, I got
Playground
something
Slim,
to say.
aka the female Snoop Dogg, you bitch.
Shut the fuck
Understand
up,
that.
I got something to say.
I rip the game up like Court Dog do. Pussy, I'm a gangster like Snoop Dogg and 50. Wanna try me? Get knocked out like Christy Martin. Her slugs in that ass, but you the one that started. I don't give a fuck like I'm Young Bloods, nigga. Cross niggas up like the way, nigga. Have a girl fight like Jackie O and Fox. And I stay loyal like the Outlaws with Pac. Niggas can't stop me, shit you ain't heard. I'm an asshole like Bet on L Word. Motherfuckers scared cause they see your bitch coming. I'm like DMX, always into something. Beat a bitch ass like my name Lady J. And I'm a hustler like JT in the Bay. I'll break a nigga down,
Hey, shut the fuck up, I got something to say.
I hustle for the cash, Skrilla, I get it fast. For those that don't like me, y'all can kiss my ass. Playground Slim acting ass, I break a nigga fast. Even bitches wanna touch and grab. You know what I mean, you know what I'm saying. You know what I mean, you know what I'm saying. You know what I mean, you know what I'm saying. Y'all know what I mean, you know what I'm saying. Niggas wanna wife me, they all on this. Keep my stomach flat like Beyonce, bitch. Bring the West back like my name was Game. Talk a lot of slang like E-okay. A bitch stay the same, let me make that clear. Feeling like the team cause it's hot in here. I did a lot of dirt and now I'm not telling. I'm not Tony Yayo.